Assalamu alaikum. My name is Janzib. Today I will be presenting a demo for the MySQL inside a Docker container. So for the first step, I'm going to open a command prompt. Here on the screen, you can clearly see there is a command prompt. For the first step, I'm going to log in into my Docker. Since I've already put all the credentials, it's going to exist and it's going to log in. Now, in the next step, after my Docker has been logged in, I'm gonna import the MySQL image, so I can start making containers out of MySQL. So for the first command, I'm gonna use Docker pull MySQL. So this is going to pull the MySQL image, so we can create MySQL separate container, or we can run separate instances. Here you will see I've already downloaded it, so it is already using the latest one. Now we already have the MySQL. Now we're going to proceed on to making the new containers. Now this command is going to be used to make a separate container, and I'm going to name the container BDA-Assign, since it is my assignment for my course Big Data Analytics. This is the parts, and this is the password which I've simply set as the password itself, which will be used to log in later on. So I've copied the whole command, and now I'm gonna paste it. Now as you can see, I'm asking Docker to run a separate instance named BDA assign, and this is the part, and this is the password for the server. Now it has started running the instance, and now I'm gonna show you where it is right now. Now you can clearly see on the screen a separate container has been made named BDA-Assign, which has MySQL running in it. So now I'm going to make a database, a table, and I'm going to insert some entries into the MySQL server, which is running in the container. Before I would start, I would access the container through my command prompt by using Docker execution IT BDA-Assign. So this way I'm gonna get into the container. And now inside the container, I'm gonna use the MySQL root. Now it's gonna ask me for my password. Since I've set the password as password, I'm gonna now enter into it. Now you can clearly see, welcome to the MySQL monitor. Now we are into the MySQL server, and we can now start creating databases and adding columns and inserting rows. So to escalate this further, I've already prepared a rough sample, which you can clearly see, and I'm gonna use it. So I'm gonna name my database customer. I'm gonna just use a basic command. Now you can see the database has been created. I'm gonna use it. Database changed. Now I'm going to add some. Now I'm going to make some columns. Now you can see I've created a table name customer database underscore DB. It has name column, it has a location column, and it's email column. Now we're gonna populate the column with few basic sample entries. Now this is the second row. Now I will be showing you the instance of the table that I've created. As you can see, I've accidentally added the first row two times. It is showing appearing in the two times. Now I can run some other commands as well. For example, select location from best DB. So now it's only going to show location. Okay, now we have completed the whole part. Now we'll be uploading the whole video on my GitHub account.